Good evening, students. Today our exercise will be 2B. I think you can see it clearly. Otherwise, keep it in mind. You have to zoom in when you watch it from YouTube. Exercise 2B, page 21, chapter 2, pure math 1. Here our question is to solve the following equations using the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula of standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This quadratic equation has a general solution, and that general solution is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by twice a. If the coefficient of x square a, coefficient of x, b and the constant term is c, in that case x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is actually, it has two solutions. One is x minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is one solution, and the other solution is minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Keep it in mind, here inside the square root there must be non-negative number. If there is negative number, then it will become a complex number, and in that case the solution will be complex solution. But as we are working in real field, that is, all these numbers will be real number. In that case, inside the square root there must be non-negative. Non-negative means 0 or positive number. So start from question number 1, that is question number 1a. Here x square plus 3x plus 1. For any kind of quadratic equation, first of all you will try to find a middle term breaking formula. If you cannot factorize it, factorize left side by middle term, in that case you will go to general solution. So our general solution, you can write the general equation and you can compare it. Here look, if we compare a with 1 here, if nothing, then you can take it as 1. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to corresponding things here 3, and c is equal to 1. Now our general solution is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b is equal to what? Here 3 plus minus square root of b square, that means 3a square, and minus 4 into a is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. Now simplify a little bit. Square root of 3a square means 9 minus what we have here 4, denominator 2. Now minus 3 plus minus square root of 5. You can make decimal solution, but I think it is not needed. Oh, one thing is very important. Give your answer exactly. That means you have to keep here, leaving them in short form when necessary. Short form means you have to keep square root on the numerator. So it is standard short form. So we can keep it there. So that is the solution. You can write solved. Otherwise you can write it separately like this one. X is equal to minus 3 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, and x is equal to minus 3 minus the square root of 5 by 2. You can write it separately or combine. Both of them are correct answer. So I think you are clear now. So all the other maths here, in question number 2 here, give your answer to 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures means, look here, if suppose answer is 3.456. Always keep it in mind that significant figures start from first non-zero digit from left side, and then you will count 1, 2, 3. The next term, immediate next term, if it is 6, 1 will be added with immediate previous digit. So it will be 3.46 approximately. All the other things are same. The next question number 3 is for each equation choose the suitable method, find all the solutions. Here just if you can factorize left side by middle term breaking, you will do it, otherwise general solution, and find the answer in 3 significant figures. And you know now how we find significant figures. I think we need to go a little bit to critical maths. Here we have one word problem. Let's try it. So the question is this one. This trapezium has an area of 50 meters square. Show that the height of the trapezium is equal to 5 bracket square root of 5 minus 1 bracket close meter. So we have to show it. Now let's try to draw it first. You can draw it in a rough sketch. Suppose what is trapezium actually? Trapezium is a quadrilateral where 2 sides are equal. Here x, top side is x, base is x plus 10, all units are in meter, and the height, perpendicular height, is twice x meter. I am not putting the units here, you can take it. So what is the area of a trapezium? The area of a trapezium is half multiplied by the parallel sides. So what is the what are the parallel sides? This x, these 2 sides must be parallel, and then x and 10. These are parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides multiplied by its height, that is twice x, is equal to what is given, 50 meters square. So I am not putting the unit here. 0 0 cut. So it is twice x plus 10. Outside we have x, and on the right side we have 50. We can take 2 common and distribute this x here. So x square plus 5x is equal to 50. If you multiply x inside the bracket, it will come as x multiplied by x, x square, and the remaining term here 10 divided by 2, it is 5x. So now corresponding places, that means left side and right side, if the numbers are multiplied each other, you can multiply or divide both sides of equal sign. Otherwise you can divide both sides by 2. So 2 divided by 2, here 150 divided by 2, it is 25. Now simplify. X square plus 5x minus 25, just I am shifting this 25 from right side to left side, its sign will be changed. Now check that we can factorize left side using middle term breaking or not. So 25 multiplied by minus 25 multiplied by x square, it is minus 25x square. So it has 5 as factors and 1 and 25. So it is not possible actually to make middle term breaking method. So now we have to go with general equation. So we know general equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we compare it, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 25. Look here, there is a plus sign here behind c, so you have to take plus sign and then it will become minus 25. You can write it or not, it's up to you. Yes, like this way you can write. And now go to the solution. So it will be x minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by twice a. So 2 multiplied by 1, as here a is equal to 1, minus b is equal to 5 plus minus square root of 5 square minus 4 multiplied by what we have, a 1 multiplied by c, that is minus 25. Now 2 minus 5 plus minus 5 square, that is 25, and 4 multiplied by 25, that is 100. So we can write here, we can write on the left side also, x is equal to, denominator we have 2, on right side we have minus 5 plus minus square root of 125. 125 can be written 5 times 25. It has a purpose, you can do it. Minus 5 plus minus, look, square root of 25, it is 5, and this 5 will be inside square root. So we can write 5 square root of 5. Now go to the next page. what we had, x is equal to minus 5 plus minus 5 square root of 5 divided by 2. Our length, or sorry, height of the trapezium was twice x. So we can write 2 multiplied by x, what we get? Minus 5 plus minus 5 square root of 5 divided by 2. 2 to cut. Now it is minus 5 plus minus 5 square root of 5. But here, look, there is a problem. Problem is, here x is equal to plus and minus, but we cannot take the minus term. So x is equal to, we have to take only the plus sign. Why? If we take the minus 1, minus 5 square root of 5 by 2, this will be a negative number. Length cannot be negative. That is why we cannot take the negative one. We'll take only the positive one. So we can omit this minus sign from here. So we'll have only the positive part. So now shift this part at the beginning and take 5 as common. We have 5, the square root of 5 minus 5 by 5, that is 1. In our question, it was show that the height of the trapezium is equal to 5 bracket square root of 5 minus 1 meter. Now look, it is 5 square root of 5 minus 1. Now we can put the unit and you can write show it. I think you are clear now. We have another math as challenge. So how much time has passed? It is 18 minutes. So if we start another math, it will take our limit. Okay, now we conclude here. We'll solve the challenge math in the next class. So that is the end of this class. Thank you.